Dear learners, welcome to today's session. So I must thanks all the learners who have joined today. So this is the year of 14. So block 5. Today sir is going to discuss. The students, please kindly put your mic in the mute mode. ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛି ମାଇକ୍ କୁ ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ମୋଡ୍ କୁ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ, otherwise disturbance ହେଉଛି. So it's a very critical juncture. It's a very difficult period. Now corona is spreading like anything. So I request all of you, stay safe, stay home, don't go out, because ignore the objectives, the reaching to the doors of the learners. So these are main objectives. In true sense, this corona has taught us what you are telling. Might be you are dependent upon the face-to-face interaction, but now all study center is closed. So you have to submit your assignment. If anybody want to submit, then you can submit online. So because of that reason, you should not feel alone. We want to engage you. So we are bringing this Google Meet platform. We are conducting the online counseling classes. This class will continue up to July 27th. Okay. So yes, so 14, 15, 16, the whoever is opted other paper, they can also join. The link is same. Whatever the link is given to years of 14, that will for all papers. Or anybody can take in 11, 12, 13 also. They can also join. Or anybody want to do the class, that class also they can do. The 11, 12, 13 timing is 11 to 1, and 14, 15, 16 timing is 5 to 7. So today the Dr. Manas Jakua, he is a very good academic counselor. You are very fortunate. You are getting opportunity throughout Odisha, whoever is joined, or throughout India, whoever is joined. So they are getting the opportunity to listen Dr. Manas. It's not that only Manas so will speak and you will listen. The true sense, the distance education is not a one-way method. You are not believing the lecture method, because within a class it's not possible to complete entire block. So that's why I'm requesting all of you, before coming to class, kindly study your materials. Okay, whatever the block is going to discuss, at least that block you should study and come for class. Then class will much more interesting. So with these words, I just conclude my things. And once again, I welcome to all the learners who would join. And I request to the learners, whoever you know, whom you know, kindly tell your friends. The number should increase. More number of students should join for the counseling classes. With these words, again, once again, I welcome to Manas sir. So thank you very much, learners, and thank you very much, sir. And I hand over the session to you, Manas sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good evening, learners. So, today we will discuss about the block 5 explanation of caste in India. So, earlier yesterday we discussed about gender and ethnicity. Okay, what is gender, what is ethnicity, and what are the differences? Everything we clearly discussed. So today we'll discuss caste system particularly because caste is a part of stratification. Okay. So today we'll discuss about earlier also we have a little bit discussed about caste system in India, that what is caste, what are the features. But today extensively ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଆହୁରି ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିବା କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ କଣ ତ ଆମେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ସିମ୍ପଲି କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ କଣ ଥିଲା ହାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅରିଜିନେଟେଡ ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିଥିଲେ बट आज आम कि सागर किसी अप्रोचेस बा जो थियोरीज मु बारंबार रिपीट करी जमी कहूँ जे कॉन्सेप्ट आउ थियोरीज बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट इन सोशियोलॉजी सो से अप्रोचेस भी आम स्टडी करवा आउ चेंजेस पर्टिकुलरली चेंजेस हाउ चेंजेस कम इनटू कास्ट सिस्टम रे चेंजेस केमिति आसुची सेटा स्टडी करवा if it is possible then we will discuss about some other aspects for examples like we'll discuss about marginalized groups so tadre common astundi what are the problems we will discuss so today we'll start with caste okay already mu caste definition mu koi deyithili already the caste is a segmental division of society which is based on hierarchy and principles of endogamy exogamy and one more important thing is what that it is based on purity and pollution okay तो आमे बाकी सब डेफिनेशन आमे डिस्कशन कर दिए बा फीचर्स तो गोटे important होची purity and pollution. Okay, it is a part of this caste system in particularly in India. So आम जो features सब discussion करथिले, for example segmental division of society. So caste segmental division of society means what na sections, different section by different groups रे आमे society की divide करछे caste system रे. जो caste system हमर अछि इंडिया रे. Okay, सेथिरे. So segmental division means what na, it is segmentally divided. हमर जदि caste system देखा जो ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र अछि, तो सेटा segmentally divided and it is based on hierarchy. Okay, so hierarchy means what na, top to bottom. Okay, so higher caste जेमती क्लास अछि सेमिति हायर कास्ट, मिडिल क्लास और लोअर क्लास सेमिति जेमिति अछि सेमिति कास्ट सिस्टम रे भी सेमिति ब्राह्मण क्षत्रिय वैश्य शूद्र on the basis of their occupation. And why I am discussing purity and pollution, na different caste, okay, stratified because of the principle of purity and pollution. Okay, so amara bahut sara approaches achi, theories achi. Louis Dumont, okay, one of the sociologist, he discussed about this purity and pollution hierarchy, all these things. Purity and pollution means what? Now according to the occupation we occupy a purity or pollution caste. So तमरो confusion हो तो purity and pollution मान को in simple terms रे purity देखिले हमको pure, pollution जदि pollution जदि देखिबा हम को impure होची, तो सेटा होची. तो किछि जिंस अछि जोटा purity and किछि अछि pollutions works, तो सेही अनुसार. So on the basis of principle of purity and pollution, caste are divided. Okay, for example, take the example of like Brahmins. Okay, so Brahmins occupy the higher caste, the top class. Why? Now because of their purity and pollution of their occupation. So on the basis of purity and pollution, caste are stratified or divided. So this is about purity and pollution. And another thing मुझे discussion करते ले hierarchy. Hierarchy जोटा कहली कि top to bottom से structure रे हमर रही छी. हमें कास्ट सिस्टम कहि परिबा कि agrarian social structure हो कि क्लास सब stratified है on the basis of hierarchy. Another feature is what ना endogamy and exogamy. मोटा previous class रे भी कहथिले, आउ टिके repeat कर दोची. तो endogamy means marriage within the caste, exogamy marriage outside the gotra. So these are the some restrictions, taboos or restrictions of marriage in caste systems. Next is what? The next is there are some restrictions on commensality, social commensality, or restriction on social relationship. So generally there are some restrictions in interaction. So generally high caste peoples, they are not mixed with the low caste peoples. Okay, they maintain distance. This is about the traditional caste system, not now, because now India is totally changed. The mentality is changed. Okay, we'll discuss about the changes. So they keep distance. There are some restrictions also on food. Okay, so generally the high caste people, they are not taking food from the lower caste peoples. So this is another restriction. So there is restrictions on marriage, there is restriction on relationship, and also there is restrictions on this food. Other features are what? Now other features are, for examples, like there is restriction on occupations. Important feature is restriction on occupation. So occupation is fixed, so no one can change our livelihood हो बा हम जो वृत्ति की हमें चेंज कर परिबुनी गोटे कास्ट सिस्टम रे, सेटा फिक्स्ड बाय बर्थ. सेथि हम बारंबार कहिछि जे कास्ट सिस्टम होछि ascribed माने जोटा हमें पाई थाउ बाय बर्थ, जन्मगत रु हमें जो स्टेटस ता पाई थाउ सेटा होछि ascribed. अचीवमेंट कोन ना जो क्लास सिस्टम जेमिति होछि अचीवमेंट, सेटा हमें क्लास अचीव रु पाई थाउ. तो एटा गोटे फीचर्स. आ गोटे फीचर जेमिति मु कहली, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन. ओके, सो को काम प्योर और को काम इम्प्योर से बेसिस रे भी कास्ट सिस्टम बेसित. ओके, तो एट जदि कहबी, एट जदि हमें कना रिलीजन कथा जदि कहबी, वन ऑफ इंपोर्टेंट सोशियोलॉजिस्ट, क्लासिकल सोशियोलॉजिस्ट इमानुएल दुर्खेम, he discuss about the origin of religion. तो रिलीजन सहित कास्ट किसी लिंक नहीं कि गोटे जिनस से कालमा जो इमाइल दुर्खेम he discuss about sacred and profane. Sacred माने होची पवित्र बा प्योर और प्रोफेन माने होची impure. तो सेम थिंग इन कास्ट सिस्टम रे भी सेमिति तो ऑक्युपेशन रे भी सेमिति प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन अछि. ओके तो प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन माने कोन ना मुझे तो बारंबार कही जे सोशियोलॉजी इज ए वैल्यू न्यूट्रल सब्जेक्ट. ओके सो इट इज न्यूट्रल सब्जेक्ट जेहेतु एटा इट इज स्टडी अबाउट द सोसाइटी तो से हमको सब न्यूट्राली हमको थिंकिंग करिया पड़िबो. ओके आम जो कास्ट सिस्टम हो बा किछि भी सेंसिटिव मैटर ऊपर डिस्कशन करबा सेटा इंटेंशनली काकू जेमिति हट न करिवो. ओके केना आम काम होची वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट सोसाइटी रे जा होची तो सेटा भी हमको न्यूट्रली नेबा को पड़िबो. तो सेति पे एठी के भाबिबेनी कास्ट हो रिलीजन हो ओके ताकू नै कि के सेमिति माने भाबिबनी. ओके हमें न्यूट्रली ही हमें स्टडी करूचे डिस्कशन करूचे. तो प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन मींस व्हाट फॉर एग्जांपल्स लाइक ब्राह्मण्स. सो ब्राह्मण्स को व्हाट अ प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन रे टॉप रे अछि व्हाई ना बिकॉज़ देयर वर्क इज वेरी प्योर एंड देयर इज नो पोल्यूशन. ओके सिमिलरली हमें जदि पे लो कास्ट देखिबा सो लो कास्ट रे कोन ना देयर वर्क इट इज मैनुअल वर्क हो बा कोनसी वर्क हो. सो आमे जदि हायरार्किकली देखिबा ताले आमे से वर्क को बा ऑक्युपेशन को आमे इंप्योर कहबा. ओके सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ प्यूरिटी एंड पोल्यूशन caste system हेजी. ओके सो these are some of the important features of caste system. Then we will discuss about the functions. आमे ऑलरेडी फंक्शंस विषय रे भी डिस्कशन करिथिले जे कास्ट रो फंक्शन और डिसफंक्शन कोन जेहेतु आमे स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन रे आमे दीटा इंपोर्टेंट थ्योरी बारंबार आमे अप्लाई करूचे फंक्शनल थ्योरी और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी. तो फंक्शनल थ्योरी रे होची पॉजिटिव साइड और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी नेगेटिव साइड. तो सेति पे सेम थिंग इज एप्लीकेबल इन कास्ट सिस्टम. तो कास्ट सिस्टम रे सेमिति पॉजिटिव साइड कोन और नेगेटिव साइड कोन तो ऑलरेडी हमें डिस्कशन करछे जे कास्ट रो पॉजिटिव साइड्स होची इट्स मेंटेन सॉलिडारिटी बा बॉन्ड. ओके तो सॉलिडारिटी माने को होची ना यूनिटी आमे जाको कहि परिबा. ओके तो सॉलिडारिटी मेंटेन करे. ओके सो इंटरकास्ट कोऑपरेशन थाए आधिरे काना गोटे सोसाइटी रो एक्जिस्टेंस पई मेंटेनेंस पई सर्वाइवल पई हमको कोऑपरेशन निहाती दरकार. तो कोऑपरेशन अछि इट्स बोथ सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक कोऑपरेशन में मु कहितली केमदी जजमानी सिस्टम माने कोन ना एटलीस्ट there is socio-economic relation between two castes. So judgments and comments. तो सेटा को हमें जजमानी सिस्टम कहछे. ओके तो सेटा होची मेंटेन होची. तो हमें जे देखिबा किछि एडा होची पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ कास्ट सिस्टम्स. देन नेगेटिव साइड जदि हमें देखिबा नेगेटिव साइड रे कोन आछि ना इट्स क्रिएट डिस्टर्बेंसेस इन द सोसाइटी. गोटे पटे यूनिटी आनुची विद इन द ग्रुप. यस्टरडे क्लास रे मु गोटे कांसेप्ट कहितली एथनोसेंट्रिज्म बा ग्रुप रे जो अछि इन ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप. इन ग्रुप माने कोन ना आवर ग्रुप आउट ग्रुप मीन अदर ग्रुप. तो तादरे गोटे फीलिंग्स बा एटीट्यूड गोटे डेवलप हे सेटा होची एथनोसेंट्रिज्म. माने इट इज ए फीलिंग दैट वी आर सुपीरियर अदर्स आर इंफीरियर. तो सेम थिंग अप्लाई हियर. तो आमे जदि कास्ट सिस्टम देखियो फीचर रे गोटे पटे जदि पॉजिटिव साइड देखियो इट्स मेंटेन द बॉन्ड बा यूनिटी की मेंटेन करे सॉलिडारिटी आने तो एटा हला इन ग्रुप फीलिंग. बट नेगेटिव साइड रे देखिया गले एटा कोन होछि ना इट्स क्रिएट ए फीलिंग ऑफ एथनोसेंट्रिज्म दैट आवर कास्ट इज हायर वी आर सुपीरियर एंड अदर कास्ट इज इंफीरियर. सो एटा गोटे नेगेटिव साइड और डिसफंक्शंस ऑफ कास्ट सिस्टम्स. आउट कोन इट्स हैम्पर्स द यूनिटी एंड डेमोक्रेसी. तो हम डेमोक्रेसी रो प्रिंसिपल को ना of the people by the people for the people ए जो प्रिंसिपल अछि. तो डेमोक्रेसी रो जो यूनिटी की भी एटा हैम्पर करछि जो हमें जदि कहबा नेशनलिज्म सो नेशनलिज्म को हैम्पर करछि. तो गोटे डेमोक्रेसी रे कोन ना डेमोक्रेसी रे ऑल आर इक्वल लॉ इज इक्वल फॉर एवरीबॉडी. बट इन कास्ट सिस्टम जेहेतु आधे डिस्पेरिटी अच्छी डिफरेंसेस अच्छी तो से कौन ना यहाँ आम यूनिटी की हैम्पर कर इंडिया इज ए कंट्री ऑफ यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी जो बारंबार मैं कही यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी माने कौन ना आम भितर यूनिटी अच्छी और डाइवर्सिटी भी अच्छी यूनिटी कौन यूनिटी हूँ जियोग्राफिकल यूनिटी हो पॉलिटिकल यूनिटी हो सोशियो कल्चरल यूनिटी हो तो आमर यूनिटी अच्छी आ डाइवर्सिटी कौन ना डाइवर्सिटी जमी कास्ट रे डाइवर्सिटी अच्छी रिलीजन रे डाइवर्सिटी अच्छी रेस रे डाइवर्सिटी अच्छी तो डिफरेंसेस अच्छी तो से आमर जो ये जो आमर पर्टिकुलरली इन इंडिया आमर जो अच्छी फॉर एग्जांपल जति टर्म्स अच्छी सेक्युलरिज्म कह गले सेक्युलरिज्म मीन कौन ना नॉट बिलीव ऑन एनी पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन तो ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ରହିଲା सेक्युलरिज्म प्रिंसिपल्स हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस रे अछि बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कास्ट सिस्टम हमर जति की प्रिंसिपल्स अछि सॉलिडारिटी हो सेक्युलरिज्म हो बा डेमोक्रेटिक प्रिंसिपल्स हो हैम्पर हो तो एउडा होछि नेगेटिव साइड ऑफ ए कास्ट सिस्टम तापर हमें डिस्कशन करथिले जे चेंजेस जस्ट इन जनरल जस्ट हम खाली डिस्कशन करथिले व्हाट आर द चेंजेस ऑफ कास्ट सिस्टम इन इंडिया तो कास्ट सिस्टम रे चेंजेस केमिति आसला हम जदि डिस्कशन करथिले जेमिति कास्ट रो ओरिजिन इज वेरी ओल्ड बहुत पुरातन पूरा वैदिक एज वैदिक सभ्यता रु कास्ट सिस्टम रो ओरिजिन हेतला वर्ण रु कास्ट सिस्टम आसला तापर हाउ इट इज बिकम कॉम्प्लेक्स सो कॉम्प्लेक्स केमिति हला ओके तो एते ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम तो कास्ट सिस्टम इज ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम ओके आमे काई कहूचे ना हमर इंडियन सोसाइटी होची ओटे पुरातन सभ्यता तो एबे से सिस्टम नाही माने एते रिजिड सिस्टम नाही सिंपल हो जाई बट स्टिल इज देयर बट इन ए चेंजिंग फॉर्म इन ए मॉडिफाइड और रिफॉर्म फॉर्म ओके तो कास्ट सिस्टम ता चेंजेस केमिति आसिला मु जेमिति बहुत सारा प्रीवियस क्लासेस रे मु एग्जांपल देइथिली जेतरा हमें सिंपल जस्ट डिस्कशन करथले कास्ट सिस्टम ऊपर जेमिति मु कहिथिले इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन अर्बनाइजेशन मॉडर्नाइजेशन एजुकेशन जुडिशियरी तो सिंपली अनदर इंपोर्टेंट चेंज ओके अनदर सबुठ बड़ इंपोर्टेंट चेंज गोटे अच्छी कांसेप्ट सोशियोलॉजी रे पर्टिकुलरली इन कास्ट रे so that is known as sanskritization so what is sanskritization eta को किए ए कांसेप्ट को किए डेवलप करथिले हु डेवलप एंड व्हाट आर द मीनिंग्स वी विल डिस्कस so this sanskritization is the concept of sanskritization is coined by mn srinivas okay so mn srinivas not only caste system रे sanskritization brahminization concept भी कहछन्ती तो हमें देखिबा जे कास्ट सिस्टम रे चेंजेस केमिति आसला हाउ देयर इज अ चेंज इन कास्ट सिस्टम ड्यू टू दिस संस्कृताइजेशन तो संस्कृताइजेशन यदि हमें सिंपल टर्म्स रे यदि विदाउट नोइंग द डेफिनेशन ऑफ संस्कृताइजेशन हमको लगतो संस्कृताइजेशन मींस संस्कृत रू आछि ओके ब्राह्मणाइजेशन मींस इट रिलेटेड टू ब्राह्मण्स और कन्वर्टेड टू ब्राह्मण सो संस्कृताइजेशन मींस व्हाट ना जेहेतु मु कहि जे कास्ट सिस्टम इज ए फिक्स्ड or closed system where there is no possibility of mobility माने गोटे कास्ट आ गोटे कास्ट को चेंज करबा पॉसिबल नो पर्टिकुलर इन कास्ट सिस्टम रे तो सेठी मोबिलिटी केमिति आसीची तो हमें तो मोबिलिटी हमर लास्ट जो ब्लॉक 8 रे अछि हम डिस्कशन करबा बट संस्कृताइजेशन इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ मोबिलिटी मींस व्हाट ना मूवमेंट ऑफ नॉट प्लेस बट मूवमेंट ऑफ स्टेटस गोटे स्टेटस रु आउट स्टेटस को जिबा को हमें mobility कहउची तो संस्कृताइजेशन also a process of mobility or movement from one status to another status so जेहेतु कास्ट सिस्टम टा पूरा रिजिड बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट तो हाउ इट्स पॉसिबल टू चेंज वंस कास्ट मुझे एमती कहिछि कास्ट चेंज करबा इट इज नॉट वेरी इजी इन इंडिया ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी रे तो कास्ट सिस्टम केमिति चेंज होउची ए संस्कृताइजेशन प्रोसेस रे ना मु जेमिति कहली कास्ट आर stratified on the basis of purity and pollution in a hierarchy basis रे जो है जी तो हमें ऑक्यूपेशन अनुसार ही हमें कास्ट को डिवाइड कर देउछु तो संस्कृताइजेशन प्रोसेस रे हमें केमिति गोटे कास्ट टू आउटे कास्ट को चेंज करियो टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ हायर कास्ट एंड लोअर कास्ट तो तांको ऑक्यूपेशन अनुसार से डिवाइड है संस्कृताइजेशन मींस व्हाट ना व्हेन ए लोअर कास्ट इमिटेट द हायर कास्ट and change his lifestyle इट इज नोन एज संस्क्रिटेशन ओडिया रे कहि दोची संस्क्रिटेशन माने कोन ना जितले गोटे लोअर कास्ट हायर कास्ट रो तार जो रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस हो बा तार डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज हो ताको इमिटेट करिवो आ इमिटेट करिके कन्वर्टेड हे जिवो slowly it is not a process of 1 year 2 year so it is a long process बहुत टाइम लगे प्रोसेस को तो सेई अनुसार से माने कोन ना इमिटेट करके ओके इमिटेट करके से माने चेंज होंदी तो ताकू को जाए संस्क्रिटेशन so संस्क्रिटेशन also a process of or it is a factor of change in caste system तो कास्ट रे तो आमे कॉन्सेप्ट पढिले बहुत सारा कॉन्सेप्ट तो ता संगे मु बारंबार जेमिति कहछि आमे अप्रोचेस भी पढुछु माने अप्रोचेस माने बा थ्योरीज हो ता सहित रिलेटेड तो सेमिति कास्ट सिस्टम रे बहुत सारा कंट्रीब्यूटर अछन जो कास्ट सिस्टम ऊपर व्यू देइचंदी ओके सो जीएस घुरे हॉटन एमएन श्रीनिवास एफजी बिली लुई डोमो ओके सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द सोशियोलॉजिस्ट जो माने व्यू देइचंदी कास्ट सिस्टम ऊपर जेमिति लुई डोमो कहली लुई डोमो प्यूरिटी एंड पॉल्यूशन एंड हायरार्की प्रिंसिपल ऑफ हायरार्की ऊपर ही गिव व्यू एमएन श्रीनिवास संस्क्रिटेशन ऊपर व्यू देइचंदी ओके सो जीएस घुरे he also discuss about caste system so these are some of the approaches in caste system okay so we discuss what is caste system then what are the function dysfunction then changes in caste system so a block now is explaining caste system in India so when we discuss about explaining caste system in India we discuss both socially and religiously तो आमे जदि एक्सप्लेनिंग कास्ट सिस्टम माने आमे कास्ट सिस्टम को एक्सप्लेन केमिति करबा आमे तो इंडिया इज अ कास्ट रिडन सोसाइटी बा कास्ट बेस्ड सोसाइटी कास्ट एटू बहुत इंपोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करे इंडिया रे तो कास्ट को आमे एक्सप्लेन केमिति करबा हाउ वी विल एक्सप्लेन कास्ट सिस्टम सो इन बोथ वे सोशली एंड रिलीजियसली आमे जदि रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कास्ट को एक्सप्लेन करबा हम ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस क्लासेस रे डिस्कशन करिछि जे इट्स origin of caste system is origin from divine origin okay divine origin केमिति ना मु रिलीजियसली कहितली जेमिति मनुस्मृति अनुसार सो कास्ट सिस्टम origin हेछि फ्रॉम पुरुष सूक्त ओके तो आमे जेमिति ब्रह्मा कहूचे तो सेमिति origin हेछि तो the different caste origin from different part of the body of the purusha sukta or brahma आमे जाको कहूचे तो सेटा हमें रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू देखिबा जे कास्ट आ गोटे कोन रिलीजियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ना कर्म ओके सो जेहेतु इंडियन सोसाइटी इज ए वेरी ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटी एंड बिलीव ऑन डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ कर्म ओके सो कर्म तो हमें सब जानि छे जे व्हाट इज कर्म ना कर्म मींस जो हमें जहा करूचे ता फल हमें सेमिति पाउचे तो कर्म सेमिति हमें जदी डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ कर्म डिसाइड करबा डिफरेंट डॉक्ट्रिन्स अछि सेडा हमर बेसी डिस्कशन करिया दरकार नै जस्ट सिंपली फ्रॉम रिलीजियस एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ कास्ट सिस्टम जेतो हम डिस्कशन करछे से अनुसार हमें एगो डिस्कशन करबा जे डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ कर्म माने कोन ना वी गेट आवर रिजल्ट फ्रॉम आवर कर्म हम कर्म अनुसार हमें फल पाउछे ओके बहुत सारा डॉक्ट्रिन्स अछि ओके सपोज भगवत गीता रे डॉक्टर कर्म ऊपर कुहाई छी बा जैनिज्म हो बुद्धिज्म प्रिंसिपल्स हो सबुतिरे कर्म विषय रे मेंशन हेची तो आर कर्म सहित कास्ट सिस्टम रे कोन लिंक अछि हाउ वी विल एक्सप्लेन रिलीजियसली एक्सप्लेन कास्ट सिस्टम सो हमें रिलीजन हिसाब रे केमिति कास्ट सिस्टम को एक्सप्लेन करबा ना कर्म अनुसार तो कर्म प्रिंसिपल कहे जे जेमिति कर्म करे सेमिति फल पाए अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर कर्म वी विल टेक बाथ इन एक पर्टिकुलर कास्ट तो हमें जदि प्रीवियस लाइफ रे जदि भलो कर्म करथियो कर्म जेमिति कहया गले तीन प्रकार रो जदि अछि संचित कर्म संचयमान कर्म प्रारब्ध कर्म तो कर्म एवरी टाइम अटैच विथ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स तो कर्म सबले हम सहित अटैच अछि तो से कर्म अनुसार ही हमें गोटे कास्ट रे ही जन्म रिलीजियसली एक्सप्लेन बोले फर्स्ट तो मु कहली केमिति पुरुष सूक्त बा रिलीजन origin ହେଇଛି ଆଉ doctrine of karma. So on the basis of karma we'll get a good life. Sorry, current पळेला ଟିକେ. Okay. So on the basis of good life, good karma, we get a good life and good caste. So ଆମେ ଯଦି ଭଲ କର୍ମ କରିବା ଆମେ ତାହେଲେ ହାଇ କାଷ୍ଟ ରେ ଜନ୍ମ ହେବା ବା ଭଲ ଲାଇଫ ପାଇବା। ଯଦି ଆମେ ଖରାପ କାମ କରିବା लो ଲାଇଫ ରେ ପାଇବା। ଏଟା ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ ଅଫ ଡକ୍ଟ୍ରିନ୍ ଅଫ କର୍ମ ବା ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲାନେସନ ଅଫ କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ। ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ସୋସିଆଲି ଦେଖିବା ତ ସୋସିଆଲି ଯଦି ଆମେ କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଦେଖିବା ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା କଣ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ନା ସୋସିଆଲି ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ହାଉ ୱିଲ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ଲେନ କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ସୋସିଆଲି ନା on the basis of occupation, on the basis of status. Okay. So society रे ଆମ status ଆଉ position ଅନୁସାରେ caste hierarchy ହେଇଛି ବା caste system ହେଇଛି। ତ ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା socio religious explanation of caste system. So all these things are related to explanation of caste system. So what is caste? Na caste is a segmental division of society which is based on hierarchy and it's based on the principle of endogamy and exogamy, then based on commensality and it's based on purity and pollutions, then function dysfunction changes. तो ଏଇଟା ହେଲା କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ। ତ କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା? ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ବହୁତ ସାରା ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର୍ସ କହିଥିଲି, ରିଜନ୍ସ କହିଥିଲି, ଯେମିତି କି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲାଇଜେସନ ହେଲା, ଅକୁପେସନାଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଆସିଲା, କାଷ୍ଟ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଆସିଲା, ଅର୍ବାନାଇଜେସନ ଆସିଲା, सोशल मोबिलिटी है माइग्रेशन है कास्ट सिस्टम रे चेंजेस आसिला। सिमिलरली एजुकेशन रे एजुकेशन द्वारा कौन है ना आम थॉट्स आम एटीट्यूड मेंटालिटी चेंज है तो से देयर इज चेंज इन कास्ट सिस्टम। सिमिलरली आम जदि कहबा लेजिस्लेशन बा लीगल प्रोविजंस, सो लीगल प्रोविजंस आसिला, अनटचेबिलिटी दूर है। ओके, सो एबोलिशन ऑफ अनटचेबिलिटी, तो एटा सब दूर है। And sanskritization is a social process, socio-cultural process. So, but in sanskritization, the one problem is that sanskritization is not a total complete change of caste system. ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଛି structural change ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି positional change। so এই sanskritization ଦ୍ୱାରା जो ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଅନ୍ୟ କାଷ୍ଟ କୁ imitate କରିକି ଗୋଟେ କାଷ୍ଟ ରୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କାଷ୍ଟ କୁ upward caste କୁ ଆମେ जो change ହଉଛି এটা স্ট্রাকচারাল চেঞ্জ নো। স্ট্রাকচারাল চেঞ্জ মানে কোন না যেতলে পুরা টোটাল চেঞ্জ হিজो, টোটাল ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, টোটাল कास्ट सिस्टम चेंज हिजो सेतले हम ताको स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज कहबा। बट संस्कृताइजेशन इज ए पोजिशनल चेंज, चेंज इन ए पोजिशन, चेंज इन ए कास्ट। काना संस्कृताइजेशन रे गुटे पर्टिकुलर कास्ट टोटल चेंज होनी, सम पीपल, सम सेक्शन ऑफ पीपल आर चेंज देयर कास्ट किछि ग्रुप रे। फॉर एग्जांपल suppose वैश्य इज ए कास्ट, ट्रेडिंग क्लास ट्रेडिंग कास्ट आम जो कहे गोटे गोटे कास्ट। तो जो जिते टोटाल कास्ट चेंज हो जाए कि आ गोटे कास्ट हो कह स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज, पूरा स्ट्रक्चर रे चेंज आसीबो। बट ये पोजिशनल चेंज आम कहीं कहे कल्चरल चेंज कहीं कहे ना, ये जस्ट किछि लोक चेंज होचंदी, किछि लोक मोबिलिटी करचंदी बा माइग्रेट करचंदी अपर कास्ट को, तो सेति में एटा स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज ना। सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द फैक्टर्स ऑफ caste system. So,
Sir,
yes,
can you explain dysfunction of caste system
yes,
once
yes,
again?
yes. Okay. So dysfunction of caste system means what? Now, from positive side, it's maintain the unity within the group. Okay, ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି group there is in group and out groups. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there is solidarity in group, but there is disturbances in out group. For example, I give you the example of ethnocentrism, a concept in sociology. Ethnocentrism means feeling of superiority and inferiority. So negative is what? Now in negative side or dysfunction is what? Now some caste think that we are superior, other are inferior. So there is inequality started. So already yesterday we have discussed about some concept inequality differences. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So inequality started in caste systems because of this feeling. That is one thing. Second thing, dysfunction is what? The second dysfunction is it's hamper our unity of the nation or our principle of democracy, nationalism. Nationalism means what? Unity means all are equal. Okay, law is equal for all. But because of this caste feeling, casteism particularly, so casteism feeling, there is the our unity is hampered. Our unity of India is hampered. So casteism, then caste conflict, that is also a dysfunction of caste system. So these are some of the dysfunctions. So you clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay. So this is all about caste system. Okay. So there are some approaches I had already discussed. For example, M.N. Srinivasa's translations. Okay. So Louis Dumo concept of hierarchy. Okay. So hierarchy means what? Na top to bottom. Okay. So these all these things about this caste system. So now we'll discuss about the problems of caste systems. Okay. So in present context. Okay. So caste, the problem of caste system in contemporary India. So the origin of caste system is very old. We had already discussed. कि केमिति origin ହେଇଥିଲା from Vedic age. But what is the status of caste system in the present context? Is there is any continuity and change in caste system? Continuity and change means what? Now each caste system is continuing or there are changes. So we clear that there are some changes or there are modifications in caste system. But what are the continuity? Okay. So there are many things are there. These are not functional dysfunction. These are about continuity and change in caste system. So present context रे present India रे particularly contemporary कौन continuity या कौन changes रही The continuity means what? Na continuity is what? Na continuity माने होउची for example जदि आमे देखिबा caste system of marriage principles आमे जेम discussion कले there is a features that is endogamy or exogamy that are the principles of marriage or restrictions of marriage. So there are some changes in endogamy or exogamy. There are some intercaste marriage or there is intercaste marriage होउची से जो restriction रे भी changes आसिलानी मुझे previous classes रे कहइतली जे distance relations there are some marriage restrictions distance relations हो बा जेते सब बड़ा थिला तो एड़ा सब धीरे धीरे चेंजेस आसिला ए जो फैक्टर्स सब कहले इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन वेस्टर्नाइजेशन हो मॉडर्नाइजेशन एजुकेशन जुडिशियरी दे चेंजेस आसी बट कंटिन्यूटी कौन रही ना स्टिल वी आर मॉडर्न वी आर इन अर्बन एरियाज हमें अर्बन एरिया हो कि रूरल एरिया हो जोठी भी सो देयर इज मॉडर्निटी इज देयर इज चेंज इन आवर एटीट्यूड हम एटीट्यूड रे चेंज आसलानी हम थिंकिंग रे चेंज आसलानी बट स्टिल देयर आर सब कंटिन्यूटी फॉर एग्जांपल intercaste marriage होची but still we give preference to our caste in times of marriage आमे जिते educated हेले भी जिते modernize हेले भी still first we give preference to our caste in time of search of a candidate selection आमे जिते गोटे caste candidate selection करछे आमे सबले बेसी preference निजो caste को दोची so this is one continuity आ गोटे continuity को ना occupational continuity जो occupational continuity को जाए तो maybe there are some changes in occupation the process of saturation रे जेमिति changes आसुचे but still there is continuity in our occupation जो caste से caste रे से caste रो occupation को बेसी preference दियंते take the example of brahmins so still brahmins occupy the same occupation maybe worship हो कि teaching हो जा हो से माने सेटा करछन suppose baisias the traders आमे जाको कहूचे बा बिजनेस करंदी still they prefer their own occupation तो एटा गोटे कंटिन्यूटी रहउची ओके तो एई अनुसार कोन ना देयर इज कंटिन्यूटी इन मैरिज कंटिन्यूटी इन ऑक्युपेशंस एंड आल्सो कंटिन्यूटी आवर एटीट्यूड हम एटीट्यूड रे भी किछि चेंजेस आछि बट स्टिल एबे भी अनटचेबिलिटी इज देयर स्टिल कास्ट conflict is there it is because of this continuity so आमे गोटे सिस्टम को टोटल स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज करि परिबे नाही it is not possible to change the whole structure so still there are some continuities आ चेंजेस तो हमें ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन कर दीजिए जे कौन चेंजेस सब आसी कास्ट सिस्टम रे. तो चेंजेस आसी बट दैट इज इन रिफॉर्म वे, इन मॉडिफाइड वे. मुझे बहुत थर कही व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिफॉर्म एंड रिवोल्यूशन. So when there is partial change, that is known as reform. So caste system रे partial reform आसीची, total transformation आसीनी. Revolution माने कौन? Total transformation. तो आमे आउ टिके पर आमे डिस्कशन करिबा जतरा सब weaker sections movement ऊपर आमे सेतरा डिस्कशन करिबा. तो revolution माने total transformation. तो इंडिया रू कोन कास्ट सिस्टम टोटली ट्रांसफॉर्म हे माने ट्रांसफॉर्म हे जाई छी ना टोटली इरेडिकेट हे जाई छी? नो. So caste system is there. So another problem is what? Another change is what? Na main सबुठु बड़ problem होची caste based politics. So caste आगुरु थिला गोटे neutral form रे, but एबे that is a weapon for politics. Okay. So politics रो vote bank हे जाई छी. तो एटा गोटे major changes. तो सेहिति पे हमें जेतले caste system discussion करिबा, then we'll discuss about the role of caste system. हमें तो functional dysfunction पढ़ले. But what are the role of caste system? So the major political role of caste system is vote bank. Okay. So ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତ ମୁଁ କହିଥିଲି ଯେମିତି dominant caste. So dominant caste also play an important role in this caste based politics. ଯେମିତି କହିଥିଲି ବହୁତ ସାରା dominant caste ଯେମିତି Rajput, Yadavs, Nayars. So different part ରେ different dominant caste ଅଛନ୍ତି. ଆଉ ସେ dominant caste ହିଁ बड़ रोल प्ले करती पॉलिटिक्स रे. टेक द एग्जांपल आमे जदी देखिबा गले, टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ लाइक यूपी और बिहार. यू आमे देखिबा सब यादव, इट्स मे बी लालू प्रसाद यादव हो, अखिलेश यादव हो कि जे भी हो. तो यादव कहले कोन ना कोन डोमिनेंट कास्ट, काहे कि ना से माने डोमिनेट करी रखि दंदी एंड दे आल्सो प्ले important role in politics because of their numerical strength, because of their status. Similarly, ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା, ଯଦି ओडिशा देखिबा, ओडिशा रे ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା कोइ डोमिनेंट कास्ट दर पटनायक. ओके. सो प्रेजेंट चीफ मिनिस्टर और प्रीवियस चीफ मिनिस्टर हो बा जति कि बिग बिग लीडर्स, so they are dominant caste. Okay. So they play an important role in politics. Similarly, in southern part, Nayars, Reddy. Okay. In Andhra Pradesh, Nayars in Kerala. So in different parts, these are the dominant caste. So एमाने बहुत बड़ा रोल प्ले करती पॉलिटिक्स रे and they dominated the political system. आउ गोटे जदी देखिबा, आउ गोटे कास्ट बेस्ड पॉलिटिक्स होची कास्ट बेस्ड को नेकी. It's maybe suppose sometimes it's Dalit caste, that is a vote bank. Dalit को नेकी केतळे कास्ट माने vote bank करा जाय. Take the example of in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Similarly, take the case of other parts जोटी tribes को नेकी politics करा जाय. तो एमिति on the basis of tribes हो, caste हो, okay, बा दलित हो, बा backward caste हो, तो एई सब caste को नेकी ही politics करा जाय. तो एइटा होची गोटे big role of caste in the contemporary India. Okay. So these are the role of caste system in the contemporary India. Next, we'll discuss about another section. Then we'll discuss about आमे जेमती डिस्कशन करथिले who are the minorities स्टेट क्लास रे जेमती आमे डिस्कशन करथिले minorities किए, जेंडर कौन. तो सेमिति आज आमे आउ गोटे सेक्शन रे डिस्कशन करिबा जे who are the marginalized group or who are the weaker section. तो ता देहरे आमे द कांसेप्ट डिस्कशन करिबा प्लस डिफरेंट मूवमेंट्स related to this marginalized group or weaker section सेटा आमे डिस्कशन करिबा. So who are the weaker section? Okay. तो आमे जदि आमे constitutionally देखिबा हमर बहुत सारा प्रोविजंस अछि, constitutional safeguards अछि. Why? काहे कि आमे गोटे पटे कहूचे जे law is equal for all, fundamental rights are equal for all, then why there are some protective discrimination? Okay. सो प्रोटेक्टेड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कौन ना आम डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ये करुचे ना किसी सेक्शन को प्रोटेक्शन देवाई बस सेफगार्ड देवाई दीज आर द सेफगार्ड प्रोविजंस इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सो आम बहुत सारा आर्टिकल्स अच्छे जमी मुझे गोटे आर्टिकल कही आमर जमी फंडामेंटल राइट्स सब अच्छे ओके राइट टू इक्वालिटी दैट इज आवर फंडामेंटल राइट्स राइट टू फ्रीडम दैट इज वन ऑफ द राइट्स सेमिति रिलीजियस राइट अच्छी देन प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वीकर सेक्शन राइट्स अच्छी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लिमिट एमती आमर 6 टाइप फंडामेंटल राइट्स अच्छी तो आमर पॉलिटिकल साइंस रे डिस्कशन करिया दरकार नहीं जेहेतु एटा रिलेटेड आम टॉपिक सहित so for that reason we will discuss so why there is protective discrimination or safeguards in our constitution जेमिति कि गोटे कहूची right means article 17 that is against exploitation means untouchability against the so untouch okay discrimination ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ଆର୍ଟିକଲ 17 ରେ similarly there are some reservations there are some other articles which safeguard the protection of scheduled tribes and scheduled caste or OBC तो तांको ପାଇଁ ଅଛି ତ ଏଟାକୁ ଆମେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟିଭ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛୁ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଫଗାର୍ଡ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛୁ ୱିକର ସେକ୍ସନ ବା ମାର୍ଜିନାଲାଇଜ୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୁପ ସୋ ମାର୍ଜିନାଲାଇଜ୍ଡ ଗ୍ରୁପ ରେ କିଏ କିଏ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ marginalized group से for example जदि हमें caste system में देखिबा दलित scheduled caste scheduled tribes women and children these are the weaker section or marginalized group so এই जो marginalized group रे हम stratification रे कोन पे डिस्कशन करछे ना because stratification द गोटे पार्ट होची inequality so where there is inequality there is stratification is there तो inequality हेबारु ही गोटे सेक्शन सुपीरियर होची और गोटे सेक्शन वीकर होची तो सेहिति पे हमें ताको छ वीकर सेक्शन ओके बा मार्जिनलाइज्ड ग्रुप ओके सो विल स्टार्ट विथ दलित ओके सो कास्ट सिस्टम रे देखि जे कास्ट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो बा कास्ट रो सबुट बड गोटे डीमेरिट्स होची जे अनटचेबिलिटी हमें जो दलित कहूची ओके lower section of the caste group. So Dalit are exploited by the higher caste. So for that reason it is a issue in sociology. मैं बारंबार कहूची sociology means what? Now it is the study of scientific study of society. The scientific study of society means what? Not the study of problems. Sociology रो emergence कौन पे हैला? Emergence एथि पे हैला to study the problems of society. तो सोसाइटी रे जोटी प्रॉब्लम्स अछि तार सॉल्यूशन बाहर करबा आ प्रॉब्लम को स्टडी करबा होची सोशियोलॉजी रो काम तो सेहित पय सो दलित आल्सो ए इंपोर्टेंट इशू इन सोशियोलॉजी और पर्टिकुलरली इन द कास्ट सिस्टम्स सो दलित आर एक्सप्लॉइटेड बाय द हायर कास्ट तो सेहित में दलित को हरिजन कुआ जाय ओके सो महात्मा गांधी इज अ सपोर्टर ऑफ means supporter of the Dalits. Okay, he against the caste system. Not only Gandhi, Ambedkar, many important legendary personalities, they are against this caste system or class exploitation. For that reason, Gandhi turned instead of Dalit, Gandhi termed Harijan. Okay, so Dalit are exploited by the higher caste. So for that reason, there are many movements also started for the Dalit. तो मु जेमिति कहछि गोटे बी आर आंबेडकर होचंदी ही वाज वन ऑफ द important personality who fight for the rights of Dalit. Okay, so now we'll discuss about some movements. Okay, it's maybe social religious movement. Okay, or self respect movement. तो गोटे पर गोटे आमे डिस्कशन करिबा तो आमे जदि दलित प्रोटेक्शन द मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करिबा ताले आमे स्टार्ट करिबा विथ Ambedkar. So before independent after independent what a movement is that is known as Mahar movement. Okay, MAHAR, Mahar movement. Mahar movement in Maharashtra. So Maharashtra रे गोटे movement ହେଇଥିଲା जोटा ना होचे Mahar movement and it is started by the B.R. Ambedkar. So Mahar is a untouchable and Dalit caste in Maharashtra. Okay. So ସେମାନେ କଣ ନା they are denied from all the facilities of the society. ମାନେ କଣ ନା ଯେତିକି basic requirement, basic services କୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦୂରରେ ରଖାଯାଉଥିଲା. They are not allowed to enter into the temple. Temple କୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ entry କରାଯାଉନଥିଲା. Public well, public pond ହଉ ମାନେ ଯେତିକି ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା allow କରାଯାଉନଥିଲା. Okay. So they are keep distance from the higher caste. So in this way they are suppressed by the other dominant caste, higher caste. So ସେଥିପାଇଁ B.R. Ambedkar started this movement Mahar because B.R. Ambedkar also belongs to a Mahar caste. Okay. So he started. तो ଏଇ movement ର ଏ ଯୋଉ movement ର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ important ଜିନିଷ କଣ ନା ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି it is not only a movement of a Dalit, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ transformative movement ଥିଲା. ଯଦି ଆମେ movement କଥା discussion କରିବା various movements are there, reform movements, revolutionary movement ହଉ okay ଏଇ ସବୁ movement ଅଛି. ତ reform movement କଣ ନା ଯୋଉଠି partial changes ଆସିଥାଏ due to movement, but ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା revolutionary movement now when there is a total transformation of the society. For example ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା French Revolution, the French Revolution is an example of revolutionary movement. Why? Na total transformation of the socio-political system, total monarchical democratic ହେଇଗଲା. ଆମେ ଯଦି industrialization, industrial revolution ଆମେ କହୁଛେ କାହିଁକି ନା it is a total transformation, mean total transformation from agriculture to industry. Okay, total transformation in economy. तो similarly Mahar movement भी सेମିତି ଗୋଟେ transformative movement ଥିଲା ବା revolutionary type ର movement ଥିଲା କଣ ପାଇଁ ନା this is also known as conversion movement. Conversion movement କଣ ନା many of you know, ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ B.R. Ambedkar he converted Hindu to Buddhism. Why? Because of the rigidity of caste system. तो Mahar movement भी थिला गोटे conversion movement. Conversion movement कौन ना total Mahar caste converted to other religion from Hinduism to Buddhism. तो why? आदर benefit कौन ना गोटे benefit होची कौन ना जेहेतु religion caste interlinked. आमे जेहेतु गोटे particular religion रे आमे अच्छे ता माने हमको caste को भी मानिया पड़े. And we know that caste system is fixed. So caste system रे changes आसी परिबो नाही बा mobility नाही. तो सेठी possibility नाही. तो जो पर्यंत आमे गोटे particular religion रे अच्छे गोटे particular caste अच्छे से पर्यंत आम status fixed. So there is no possibility of mobility or change in caste system. So in Mahar movement, because of the initiative of B.R. Ambedkar, so they converted to Buddhism because now if you will change our religion, caste change kari hobo, but religion to change kari hobo, religion to convert kari hobo, conversion kari hobo. तो जितला हमें गोटे टोटल गोटे religious group रू caste system रू हमें अलगा religion को जिबा, obviously there is no impact of caste system. कहना बुद्धिज्म रे caste system नाही. caste बुद्धि sections अछि जेमिति हमें जदी सब religion रे divisions अछि. हिंदुइज्म रे जेमिति अछि, हिंदू रे जेमिति अछंती वैष्णव, शाक्त हो, साइवाइट हो, सेमिति बुद्धिज्म रे भी अछंती. दी प्रकार वा जैनिज्म रे अछंती. बट गोटे जिंस होची कोन ना अलगा religion रे caste system नै. Caste system is not there. And caste system is a exploitative system. But in other religions there is no caste. So for example, for that reason there is no exploitation. तो सेही पय कहला ना Mahar movement रे तो टोटली से माने चेंज कर देले रिलीजन. जो द एक्सप्लोइटेशन बा इनइक्वालिटी होतुला कास्ट सिस्टम रे सेटा आउ हेलानी. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द कन्वर्शन. तो सेही पय Mahar movement को कन्वर्शन मूवमेंट भी कहला. So this is the first movement for Dalit rights. Okay, there are other movements, for example, self-respect movement who, but our movement, many socio-religious movement, ଆମେ ଯଦି କହିବା Brahma Samaj, Arya Samaj, then movement started by Jyotiba Phule. Okay, so Jyotiba Phule also started movement for the Dalits. Okay, तो ସିଏ ଯୋଉ movement start କରିଥିଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ନା for temple entry, ଯେହେତୁ lower caste are not allowed to enter into the temple. ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି caste system ର features ରେ commensality. So commensality ମାନେ କଣ ନା keeping distance, or there are some restrictions, interrelationships. So similarly Dalits or the lower caste or Harijans are not allowed to enter into the temple. So ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା temple entry movement. Similarly, there are some Jyotiba Phule also fight for education, Dalit education. Kana in caste system re, the lower caste they are not allowed to learn Vedas or taking higher education. So high education ho ba Veda study ho ତାଙ୍କୁ allow ନଥିଲା. So Jyotiba Phule started movement for education, Dalit education. The temple entry movement ho, Dalit education ho, this movement are started for the rights of Dalits. Okay. So for that reason ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କହି ଦଉଛେ marginalized class ବା weaker section ଆମେ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛେ ନା because they are socially, economically, politically weak. It means what? ତାଙ୍କର social status society ରେ କମ ଥାଏ, economically they are weak, and they have no political power. For that reason they are known as weaker sections. Okay, and marginalized kahin kuhagala? They are marginal. Okay, so same concept. So for that reason these are the weaker section or marginalized groups in the society. Similarly other movements, socio-religious movement, ଯେମିତି କହିବି Brahma Samaj started by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. He also fight for girls education, fight for means promotion of English education. Okay, तो ଏଇଟା ହେଇଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି ଗୋଟେ weaker section जो status, ଆମେ ତ stratification ରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଆମେ status ଟାକୁ ହିଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଏଇ term ଟା ଆସିବ। ତ ଗୋଟେ caste ର ବା ଗୋଟେ class ର ତା status ଟା କେମିତି increase କରିବ? What are the sources? ସବୁଠୁ main source ହଉଛି education. Education ଦ୍ୱାରା ହିଁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ status କୁ change କରିପାରିବା। Okay, ଆମର mentality change ହବ, ଆମ status ବି change ହବ। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ for example ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ ଦଳିତ ରେ B.R. ଆମ୍ବେଦକର କଥା କହୁଥିଲି। So B.R. ଆମ୍ବେଦକର is a highly educated person. ଆମ constitution ବି frame B.R. ଆମ୍ବେଦକର କରିଛନ୍ତି। तो से caste रे जो exploitative system रे ରହିକି ବି ଏତେ high position କୁ କେମିତି ଗଲେ? It is through education. Okay, तो education play an important role in mobility. The status of mobility by education is very important. So for that reason, in Brahma Samaj or the movement started by Raja Ram Mohan Rai, so he gave importance to Western education. In India, Sanskrit, Hindi, these are the major languages. But why English education is very important? The reason is that now because of promotion of English education, because of westernization, we learn many things. For example, ଆମେ ଯଦି ଆମ constitution କଥା କହିବା, ଆମ constitution political system ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆମ preamble ଅଛି, ତ preamble ରେ ଦେଖିବେ ବହୁତ ସାରା terms ଅଛି, equality, fraternity, liberty, justice, secularism, republic, ଏଟା ଯୋଉ ଅଛି ଏ ଟର୍ମ ଯୋଉ ଆମ preamble ରେ ଅଛି ବା ଆମର ସବୁ fundamental rights ରେ ବି ଏ ଟର୍ମ ସବୁ ଅଛି, जो equality, justice, fraternity, freedom, ଏଇ ସବୁ concept କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଲା? ତା ସହିତ ଲିଙ୍କ କଣ? ଏଜୁକେशन ସାଙ୍ଗରେ, ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏଜୁକେशन ସାଙ୍ଗରେ। ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଥିଲି ଯୋଉ ଆମର ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଅଫ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି, ତା ଦେହରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଅଫ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜିର ମେନ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର୍ସ ହେଉଛି ଫ୍ରେଞ୍ଚ ରିଭଲ୍ୟୁସନ, ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ରେଭଲ୍ୟୁସନ, ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ରିଭଲ୍ୟୁସନ। ଓକେ, ସେଗୁଡା ଥିଲା। ତ ତା ଦେହରେ ଆହୁରି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ହେଉଛି ଏନଲାଇଟେନମେଣ୍ଟ। ओके एनलाइटेनमेंट माने कोन ना नुआ दिग्दर्शन जो कुआ जाय ओके आमे गोटे माने ट्रेडिशनल रु मॉडर्न हेबा जो थिंकिंग तो एउडा हेतिला जो फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन हला आ द्वारा कोन बेनिफिट हला ए जो फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन टा हेइथिला जोटा गोटे इमर्जेंस ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी रो गोटे बिग फैक्टर ता पथरे भी रीजन अछि ता पछे रीजन कोन अछि ना जेमिति कहले एनलाइटमेंट थिंकिंग दुनिया थॉट्स जदि आमे पॉलिटिकल थ्योरीज देखिया रूसो कैंट मैकेवेली सो दिस पर्सन्स दिस पॉलिटिकल थिंकर्स सो से माने नुआ सब कांसेप्ट से समय डेवलप करथिले जेमिति कि फ्रीडम इक्वालिटी फ्रैटर्निटी ए सब कांसेप्ट आस्तिला तो आ माने कोन ना व्हाट इज आवर फ्रीडम जेमिति कहिथिली स्टेट सिस्टम रे हमर जो सोशल स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन जतरा कहला से कहिथिली गोटे स्टेट भी गोटे होची स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन सिस्टम रो पार्ट ओके फर्स्ट स्टेट सेकंड स्टेट थर्ड स्टेट okay so third state always exploited by the second and first state okay same class jaha caste था सेटा भी सेमती तो exploited होउतिले तो सेमाने सेतला जानि नथिले what is our freedom what is equality what is justice so they paying taxes सेमाने tax दउतिले but ताको justice मिलु नथिला freedom नथिला equality नथिला सो एई टर्म्स सेई समय डेवलप हेबारु ही जाय सोसाइटी रोटे रिवोल्यूशन आसिला आ एई जो सब कांसेप्ट फ्रीडम इक्वालिटी जस्टिस एटा हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को केमिति आसिला बा इंडिया को केमिति आसिला एटा इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ स्प्रेड ऑफ इंग्लिश एजुकेशन ओके सो व्हेन वी लर्न इंग्लिश एजुकेशन हमें तले इंग्लिश एजुकेशन जानिले सेई टाइम सेइटु सेइति पय हम फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल हेतिला तो सेई समय हमें एई सब कॉन्सेप्ट को बहुत माने एक्सेप्ट करथिलु ओके एड़ा सब हेतिला तो एई जिंसटा केमिति आसीबो हाउ टू डेवलप द स्टेटस ऑफ ए वीकर सेक्शन बा मार्जिनलाइज सेक्शन इट इज ओनली थ्रू प्रमोशन ऑफ एजुकेशन तो सेइति पई राजा राममोहन राय he gave importance to promotion of English education गर्ल्स एजुकेशन जेहेतु मु कहली मार्जिनलाइज ग्रुप बा वीकर सेक्शन रे वुमेन भी अछंती तो गोटे कंट्री रो बा गोटे सोसाइटी रे डेवलपमेंट पई वी नीड इक्वालिटी बट एस्टेड आमे डिस्कस करथले जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन तो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन माने कोन इनइक्वालिटी सो जेहेतु वुमेन आर ए वीकर सेक्शंस सो तांकर स्टेटस केमिति एनहांस करा जाय परिबो ना इट इज ओनली थ्रू एजुकेशन ओके तो जो हमें सोशियो रिलीजियस मूवमेंट कहूचे तो एटा कहना रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट नॉट ए रिवोल्यूशनरी मूवमेंट सो रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट्स मींस व्हाट now when there is some partial modification so Raja Rammohn Rai for the enhancement of the status of women से बहुत सारा initiative नहीं थिले for examples he started or he protest against the sati pratha against the child marriage he promoted widow remarriage okay so through this the status of women is enhanced or increase in the society जेमती कहले इंग्लिश एजुकेशन हो तो एडा अलगा मूवमेंट जेमती how these social religious movement are helpful in transforming the status of this weaker section सेटारे आउ रिलीजियस मूवमेंट होची जेमती जेमती राजा राममोहन राय ब्रह्म समाज सेमिति आर्य समाज स्टार्टेड बाय सरस्वती okay so he started this movement for revival this is known as revival movement okay why revival ना revival माने होसी back ये movement ला back को जीवा पे okay so how will change the mentality of people how will change the status of a people ना through revival Dayanand Saraswati okay Dayanand Saraswati started this movement तो ये मूवमेंट रो मेन थिंकिंग कौन थिला ना गो बैक टू वेदर्स ओके सो गो बैक टू वेदर्स मींस व्हाट ना वी गेट रियल नॉलेज फ्रॉम द वेदर्स टू स्टडी द weathers. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ important ଥିଲା ଏଇ movement ରେ, okay, ତ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା କଣ ନା co-education. So earlier yesterday class ରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ କେମିତି gender discrimination ହଉଛି, boys ମାନଙ୍କୁ preference ଦିଆଯାଉଛି, girls ମାନଙ୍କୁ preference ଦିଆଯାଉ ନାହିଁ, okay. ତ ସେମିତି co-education means what ନା ଦୟାନନ୍ଦ ସରସ୍ୱତୀ started DAV, ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଏବେ ଦେଖୁଛେ DAV school ସବୁ, okay. So these are started by this Dayanand Saraswati. DAV school means what na co-education. So ଆମର ଯେମିତି girls schools boys schools ଅଛି separate ଯେହେତୁ ଏତେ restrictions ଅଛି society ରେ, traditional society ରେ, so he started co-education. So through co-education the women or girls they occupy the same status, equal status, okay. So education ସେମାନେ equal status ପାଇଲେ, ସେଠି କିଛି discrimination ନାହିଁ। ଆମେ ଯଦି girls education boys education separate କରିବା distance, ତ that is create inequality in the society. But co-education ରେ କଣ ନା both girls and boys they occupy the same educational status in the school. So this is a initiative by Dayanand Saraswati. So Brahma Samaj, Arya Samaj, then initiative taken by the Jyotiba Phule. Okay. So there are some other movements also for the protection of women, for the protection of weaker sections. Okay. So again I'm going who are the weaker marginalized group? Now scheduled caste, Dalits, then scheduled tribes, women and children. Then we'll discuss about the self-respect movement. Okay. So I would Dalit movement or part of self-respect movement. So this self-respect movement started in South India. Okay. So a movement of it's a political movement, political rights movement, but for the Dalit. The self-respect movement means what? Now, for example, in the caste system, I mean, in societies, the lower caste are not respected by the higher caste. Okay. So self-respect means what? Na ame respect ଚାହିଁବାନି, respect automatic ଆମେ maintain କରିବାକୁ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ yesterday class ରେ କହିଥିଲି relative deprivations. So when we relate with others, then we will feel deprived. ଆମେ ତ ଅନ୍ୟକୁ relate କରୁଛେ, ଆମେ deprive କରୁଛେ ଯେ ଆମ ପାଖରେ ଏଇ rights ଟା ନାହିଁ, ଏ ନାହିଁ ସେ ନାହିଁ। Okay. So self respect ର କଣ ନା it is our rights, ଏଇଟା ଆମ right, ଆମକୁ respect ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଆମ respect ଅଛି। self respect ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗଲା self respect movement। ତ ଏ movement started ହେଇଥିଲା, ତ ସେଇ self respect movement in particular ଆହୁରି ବି ବହୁତ ସାରା movement ହେଇଥିଲା for the protection of Dalit। ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବା ବହୁତ ସାରା movement ଆହୁରି ଅଛି, ବହୁତ ସାରା movement through ରେ political parties ବି ସବୁ started ହେଇଛି। ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା southern India ରେ DMK ADMK, Dravida Munarka Khajagam, the DMK party, two major parties in South India. So these two parties are started on the basis of this Dalit issue. It's maybe it's a political movement ରୁ ହେଇଥିଲା, but Dalit issue ରେ ହିଁ political party ସବୁ start ହେଇଥିଲା। So these are some of the movements started for the protection of this Dalit or marginalized group. So why they are marginalized group? ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ marginalized group କଣ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛେ? Because of socio-economic political. Socially, their status is very low. First thing, ଆମେ ଯୋଉ group scheduled caste हो, scheduled tribe हो, women हो, but children हो, children भी also a marginalized groups. Okay, मैं last to discussion करेंगे सीधा। तो why they are marginalized group? Now their social status is low. यदि हमें scheduled caste देखिबा, on the basis of caste, they are low caste. Okay, यदि हमें scheduled tribe देखिबा or other backward caste हो, that is OBC, other backward caste, that is also a weaker section। यदि हमें देखिबा सेमाने socially weak, socio-economically weak सेमाने। यदि हमें gender रे देखिबा, women also a marginalized group। काहेकि ना both socially, economically their status is very low in the society। because of patriarchy जो yesterday class में discussion करथिली. That is one reason. Children ସେମାନେ marginalized group केମିତି ହେଲେ ना because of their age status. Okay. So these all are the marginalized group. So first ଆମେ दलित विषय रे discussion कले, scheduled caste विषय रे. So scheduled caste, for the Dalit there are various movements. Okay. So this movement first started by the Gandhi, then B.R. Ambedkar, then some before Gandhi and Ambedkar, other social reformers like Raja Rammohn Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, Jyotiba Phule. Okay, so these people are taking initiative to change the status of Dalit or reform in the society. तो एटा आसीथिला. तापर आमे डिस्कशन कले सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट मूवमेंट इन साउथ इंडिया. Okay, so these are related to movements for the Dalit. Then we will discuss about the constitutional provisions. Okay, so mu jemiti कहली protective discrimination. First thing first हमें कोचे equality, तापर हमें कोचे discrimination. These are contrary term. Okay, so this is protective discrimination because to protect some section means weaker section of the people. So scheduled tribes हो, OBC हो. Okay, so these are protected discrimination. हमें तो protect करिया पे ही इस section मानू को हमें बेसी importance दोचे. Okay, for examples, for that reason there is different commissions are there. Okay, SCST commission, so OBC commission, women commissions. So these are the provisions of constitutions. So our constitution different articles achi, different provisions achi. So for protection, for examples like there are seats or reservation in Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay. So these are what? Now these are, for example, there are some reservations in educational institutions or in jobs. आमे जदि गोटे पटे देखिबा आमे कहबा इक्वालिटी पुणी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन काहे ना टू प्रोटेक्ट. Okay, for example, आमे जदि देखिबा there are reservation for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes or OBC. Okay, for women there are some reservations. Why? To protect them, to protect, to safeguard them. So for that reason, these are the some constitutional provisions for weaker section or caste system. For example, ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଥିଲି caste system ଗୋଟେ rigid system traditionally. तो caste system को caste structure को तो totally change करी हबनी, but protect करी की रखी हबो किसी section को. ସେଇଥି ପାଇଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଥିଲି article 17 untouchability against रे हो बा बहुत सारा provisions ଅଛି ସେଟା काहे ना protect करिया ପାଇଁ तम. Okay, so these are some of the issues related to Dalit, weaker section or scheduled caste. Now we'll discuss about scheduled tribes. Okay, जो हमें tribe कहूचे. So what are the problem? First हमें discussion करिवा what is tribes, then what are the problems of tribes and what are the solutions of tribes. Okay, what are the solutions of these weaker sections? So tribes known in different name in different various places. So tribe माने कहले हमें आदिवासी कहूचे, बनवासी कहूचे, पहाड़िया. Okay, एमती different names रे अछंती. So आदिवासी हमें कहूचे ना because they are the first inhabitants, first inhabitant of India. तो ସେଇଥି ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ आदिवासी कहूचे. But this Adivasi term nowhere mentioned in the tribe is nowhere mentioned in our constitutions. Okay, scheduled tribe is there, but nowhere mentioned. So this in time of Britishers. Okay, so Britishers first named them Adivasis. Okay, so now we'll discuss about what are the problems of Adivasis. So there is various problems. Jemiti, why they are weaker section na scheduled tribes are why weaker section? Because they are socio-economically and politically they are weak. Their social status is low. Okay, because they are detached from the mainstream society. Okay, mainstream society ରୁ ସେମାନେ ଦୂର ରୁହନ୍ତି, they are exploited. Economically they are weak because ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ inter area ରେ ରୁହନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ job ନଥାଏ, they simply ଯୋଉ ଆମର livelihood ଅଛି, okay, ତ ତା ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ simply କରନ୍ତି, ତ socially, economically and politically, so because of their innocence, so they are not participate in politics, so socio political economically they are weak, so they come under this marginalized group. So what are the problems? So there are many problems of tribes. First problem is what? Na displacement. ଆମେ ଯଦି contemporary context ରେ ଦେଖିବା ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର, ତ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କଥା ଡିସ୍କସନ କରୁଛେ, ଗୋଟେ ସୋସାଇଟିର ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲାଇଜେସନ ଇଜ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ। ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିଥିଲେ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ରିଭଲ୍ୟୁସନ, କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲିଜମ୍ସ, ଓକେ, ତ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲିଜମରେ ଆମେ ବହୁତ ପଜିଟିଭ ଆଉ ନେଗେଟିଭ ସାଇଡ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ। ପଜିଟିଭ କଣ ନା ଆମେ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କରାଉଛି, ଓକେ, ସୋ ଇଟ୍ ଡେଭଲପ ଅର୍ ଗ୍ରୋଥ ଦ ଇକୋନୋମି ଅଫ ଏ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି। ବଟ୍ ଯଦି ଆମେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ସାଇଡ ଦେଖୁଛେ, ଇଟ୍ସ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଇନଇକ୍ୱାଲିଟି, କ୍ଲାସ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଯେମିତି କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରୁଛି। ତ ସେମିତି for a growth and development of a country, we need industrialization. Okay, we need development. But who are the sufferers? So just development hochi ba jo economic growth hochi, so only few sections are benefited by this development and growth. For example, some industrialists, some corporates, they are benefited by this industrialization. But who are sufferer? Now those who are the weaker section, those who are the poor people, or particularly the tribes, they are exploited by this development process. Okay, how? Now when we discuss about tribes, so in tribes there is a terms development induced displacement. ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ କହିଲି ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ମାନଙ୍କର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି displacement, because land is a identity of tribes. So tribal people are very much attached with their land. Okay, so ଆମେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଟାଇମରେ ପଢିଥିବା ତାକୁ ମାନେ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ମାନଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ଗଡ ଥାନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପେନୁ କୁହାଯାଏ, ଧରଣୀ ପେନୁ। ଓକେ, ମିନ୍ସ ଅର୍ଥ ଗଡ বা ହିଲ୍ ହଉ, ତ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ। ତ କଲଚରରେ ତମେ ପଢିବ କିଛି ଟର୍ମସ ତା ଦେହରେ ଅଛି। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆହୁରି କଲଚର ଆଉ ରିଲିଜନରେ, ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ୍ସରେ, ହାଉ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଅରିଜିନେଟେଡ। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମରେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଏତେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରୁଛେ, ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନ, ଇସଲାମ, ଜୈନିଜମ, ବୁଦ୍ଧିଜମ ହଉଛି, ବଟ୍ ଫ୍ରମ ହ୍ୱେୟାର ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ? ଯଦି ଅରିଜିନ ରିଲିଜିୟନର ଅରିଜିନ କଥା ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା, ତାହେଲେ ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ ୱିଥ ଦ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ। ଓକେ, ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଡିସ୍କସନ କରୁଛି ଯେ ଦ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ ବାଇ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ। ସୋ in our sociology, there is a classical sociologist, Emile Durkheim. He discuss about the origin of religion. ମୁଁ ଏଟା କାହିଁକି ଲିଙ୍କ କରୁଛି ନା, ଯେହେତୁ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ସହିତ ଲିଙ୍କ ଅଛି, ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ଯେ ହାଉ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଅରିଜିନେଟେଡ। ଆଜି ଯୋଉ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଫର୍ମରେ ଦେଖୁଛେ ଆଇଡଲ ୱର୍ସିପ ବା ମୂର୍ତ୍ତି ପୂଜା ହଉ, ବା ଆମର ଯୋଉ ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସେସ୍ ହଉ, ଏ ସବୁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେକ୍ସ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସେସ୍ ହଉ, ମେଜର ରିଲିଜିୟନ୍ସ ଅଛି, ଏଟା ଫାଷ୍ଟ ନଥିଲା। ସୋ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟେଡ ବାଇ ଦ ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ। ଆଉ ସେଇ ରିଲିଜିୟନ କୁ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ଟୋଟେମିଜମ। ଆମେ ଯେମିତି କହୁଛେ ହିନ୍ଦୁଇଜମ, ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟିଆନିଜମ, ବୁଦ୍ଧିଜମ, ସେମିତି ସେଇ ରିଲିଜିୟନ କୁ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା, ଯୋଉ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ରିଲିଜିୟନ ଅରିଜିନେଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଉଥିଲା ଟୋଟେମିଜମ୍ସ। So totemism means what? Now totem means objects. Okay, any object. It's maybe a stone, it's maybe a tree, it's maybe animals, animate or inanimate, anything else. तो କିଛି ବି ବସ୍ତୁ ହଉ, କିଛି ବି ଜୀବ ଜନ୍ତୁ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ବା କିଛି ବି ହଉ, ତାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିକି ଟ୍ରାଇବ୍ସ ପୂଜା କରୁଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ଇମାଇଲ ଦୁର୍ଖେମ ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଉପରେ ଷ୍ଟଡି କରିଥିଲେ, ତ ସେଇଟା ଥିଲା କଣ ନା ଅରୁନ୍ତା ଟ୍ରାଇବ। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଅରୁନ୍ତା ଟ୍ରାଇବ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଏଇ ଟୋଟେମିଜମ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଥିଲେ। ତ ସେଇଠୁ ହିଁ ରିଲିଜିୟନର ଅରିଜିନ ଆସିଥିଲା, ଟୋଟେମିଜମରୁ। So যেহেতু tribes are very much close to the nature, okay, so close to nature, so they think that that is their identity. So we come back to our main topic, that what are the problems of tribes. So first ଯେମିତି କହିଲି ଯେ development induce displacement. So development induced displacement mean what? Na development ହେବାରୁ ହିଁ ସେମାନେ displace ହେଲେ. So they are displaced from their own place because of this development, because of industrializations. Not only in Odisha, many parts of India, there are some movements, okay, against this industrializations. ଆମେ ଯଦି ଓଡ଼ିଶାର କଥା ଦେଖିବା, କଳିଙ୍ଗନଗର ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହଉ କି ପୋସ୍କୋ ହଉ କି ଅଲଗା ଷ୍ଟେଟରେ ବି ଯେତିକି ସବୁ ହଉ, କି ଧର ଆମେ ଯଦି ଅଲଗା ଆହୁରି ସବୁ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ଅଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଚିପକୋ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଓକେ, in northern part ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା to protect the environment, to protect the trees. So similarly that this nature are very, the tribes are very much close to nature. So they are nature କୁ ଭଲ ପାଆନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କ land ଆଉ land ହିଁ ହଉଛି ତାଙ୍କ identity. But because of this development, because of this industrialization, they are displaced. There is compensation ଦିଆଯାଉଛି, it's okay. But ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି, land is a identity, they are very much attached with the nature. So tribes ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଘର ଦେଇଦବ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ facilities ଦେଇଦବ, they are not satisfied because of this attachment with the nature, okay. So that is one of the major problem of these tribes. ଯଦି ଆମେ ଅଲଗା ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦେବା ସହିତ ଏ ଟ୍ରାଇବାଲ ଆଉ ଏନଭାୟରମେଣ୍ଟ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ରେ ସେମିତି ବହୁତ ସାରା ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ନର୍ମଦା ବଚାଓ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି, ତ ସେଇଠି ବି they are also tribes are displaced and they started the movement, okay, led by Medha Patekar, okay. ତ ଆମେ ସବୁ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ହଉଛି କାହିଁକି ନା displacement, not only because of industrialization but also for other purposes, for infrastructural development, for example dam construction हो, hydro electricity project हो, तो जोड़ा एवढा कौन मे बी एटा बहुत लोगों को डेवलपमेंट रे आसीबो बट बेनिफिट करिवो, but who are sufferer? The weaker section or marginalized sections are always suffering because of this development process. So first is development induced displacement, next is health problems. So the health because of health problems, so that is also a major problem of tribes. Kemidi? Now they are not benefited by the health facilities of the system. Okay. So generally they generally ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି tribes they are live in interior areas, okay, hilly areas, not reachable areas, okay. ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ କଣ ନା health facilities are not found in tribal belts, in interior areas. So there is no health facilities, no hospitals, doctors are not interested to go there. So doctors जानती, manpower is not there, hospitals availability not है, so medicine available not है. तो एटा तो हैला, it is from the side of the system. But ଯଦି ଆମେ from the sides of tribes ଦେଖିବା, ତାହେଲେ major problem ହଉଛି health problem ହଉଛି superstition, okay. So tribes peoples are very superstitious, they believe on superstitions, black magics, okay. So uh, instead of faith on medical systems, so they believe on black magic or the superstitious things. So for that reason the health problem होଉଛି, okay. So another thing is ଯେମିତି superstition କହିଲି, जो black magic होଉଛି anywhere, not only in Odisha, in other part of the India also, so same problems because of superstition. So ଗୋଟେ health problem ହେଲା, how to cure, ସେମାନେ ନ କରିକି they think that this health problems are created because of some this ghost or that. So ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ medical facilities ନିଅନ୍ତିନି and they suffer. So health problem, so health both from system side, from the government side and from the own themselves. So This the health problem. Another health problem is what? The malnutrition. Okay, malnutrition means what? They are not getting sufficient food. Okay, so ଯେମିତି ମୁଁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ society ଆମେ discussion କରିଥିଲେ how society passes from one stage to another stages, ଯେମିତି primitive stage ହଉ agriculture stage ବା feudal capitalistic. So primitive stage, the main occupation or livelihood is what? Na, it is based on hunting and gathering. Okay. So tribal people, primitive tribes ଆମେ କହୁଥିଲେ ସେଟାକୁ ଆମେ କହୁଥିଲେ primitive society ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ ନା it is a primitive tribal society. So tribal peoples are the main occupation is hunting and gathering. Okay. If we take the example of other economy, for examples, they depend on forest products or ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ପୋଡୁ ଚାଷ କହୁଛେ shifting cultivations ଏତେ ତାପରେ depend କରନ୍ତି. So for this reason, so food scarcity is there. Okay. So first, they are not benefited by the government schemes. Second thing, there is food scarcity. For that reason, malnutrition. ଆମେ ଯଦି take the case of ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଆମେ ଯଦି କହିବା ବହୁତ ଟାଇମରେ ଆମେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଶୁଣିଥିବା ମାନେ this malnutrition ରେ death କଥା child infant जो mortality. Okay, suppose ନଗଡା ହଉ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଏମିତିଆ. Okay, so ଏଗୁଡା କଣ? These are the examples of malnutrition. Malnutrition because they are not able to get a single day meal. ଗୋଟେ ଦିନର meals ବି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ମିଳେ ନାହିଁ. ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ malnutrition. Okay, shortage. Malnutrition means ପ୍ରଥମ କଥା ହଉଛି shortage of foods, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି shortage of vitamins. So for survival we need a proper food, proper intake of vitamins. So that is another reason. One more reason is what? Now one health reason is what? Now maternal mortality and child mortality rate is high among the tribes. Okay, infant mortality means what? Now children's death. Okay, below the means yearly childhood death with infant mortality and maternal mortality rate. So theta mortality rate high among the tribes. Why? Now it is because of lack of awareness. One reason is what? No, one reason is lack of medical facilities, and second thing is lack of awareness and malnutrition. So this is health problems. So first we discuss about the development induced displacement problem. Next is health problem. So next is education. So not only health problem but also the literacy rate is very low among the tribes. The same reason, lack of educational infrastructures, lack of schools. So teachers are not interested go to the interior area or tribal areas. So that is a important cause of this illiteracy rate. So another thing is that they are not they are not motivated. Okay, so they believe on subsistence life. Okay, so just they will earn and for the same day, not for the future. So subsistence life. So it is because of what? Now because of lack of awareness or lack of education. Okay, so education literacy rate come. Another problem related to education is dropout rate. So dropout rate कौन? Dropout means what? Na, not continuing education. Okay, so complete education न करिके माने स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट हो जिवा. ଆଉ ଆ ପଛରେ main reason ହଉଛି economy. Main reason ହଉଛି poverty. So generally tribal peoples are they are innocent, they are poor, so they are not afford education. Okay, and another thing is that poverty. So for that reason, the literacy rate is low, dropout rate is high. This is education problem. So another problem is what? The another problem related to tribes is what? Na, development. So in present contemporary India also, there are some tribal belts still they are unreachable. There is no proper road, there is no water facilities, even if there is no electricity. Okay, so still they are in dark. So this is the developmental or infrastructural problems. So water problem, electricity problems, communication problems, even एमती कि बहुत ट्राइबल बेल्ट अच्छी जोटी के जाए माने communication नहीं, mobile network नहीं. Okay, so that is a problem. So one problem also आमे जदि online classes विषय देखिबा, still there are many students those who are not benefited by this online. काहेकि ना they have no communication, they have no internet, so that is also a problem. Okay, because of this their education is hampered. So this is developmental problems. So these are some of the problems related to tribes: social, these health problems, education problems, developmental problems. Okay, so these are the problems of tribes. Okay, problems ରୁ କଣ problem create ହଉଛି ନା ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ସବୁ study କଲେ ଯେମିତି ସବୁ movements, reform movements, so revolutionary movement, total transformations ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ, ତ ସେମିତି because of this exploitation, because of this deprivation, yesterday ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ term use କରିଥିଲି relative deprivation. When we relate our status with others ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ deprived feel କରିବା. ତ similarly tribes people, weaker section, ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ when they realize that we are weaker than others, they feel deprived. तो ଆମେ जो yesterday discussion କରୁଥିଲେ जो ethnicity relative deprivation, ତାକୁ ବି ଆମେ ଏଇଠି apply କରିବା. Ethnicity ବି ସେମିତି, tribes also a part of this ethnicity because cultural differences, tribes ମାନଙ୍କ culture, their practices are different. ତ ସେଇଟା ବି ଆମେ ଏଇଠି add କରିପାରିବା. ତ ଏଇଠି relative deprivation ହଉଛି ନା when tribal people they relate their status with other peoples, with mainstream peoples, when they feel that they are exploited by the others, so they feel deprived. Obviously when they feel deprived they will revolt, they will start means revolutions. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମ capitalism ବା industrial society ରେ ଯେମିତି class ରେ ଯେମିତି revolution ଆସିଲା, revolution କେତେବେଳେ ଆସିଲା ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ they feel deprived, when they feel deprived or alienated, that we are deprived from our own products or our rights. Similarly yesterday we discussed about feminism, feminist movement. So feminist movement काहेंकि start ହେଲା, it is because of deprivation. So when women feel that we are deprived, when they feel deprived, they started revolution. Similarly among the weaker sections, particularly in tribes, so when they feel deprived they started revolution. So ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ nationalism ଆମେ जो आज ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ problem ହଉଛି ଆମ country ର ବା ଆମ ଓଡିଶାର Naxalite problems. So it's a nationalism start କୋଉଠି ହେଇଥିଲା? So nationalism also based on this Marxist principle, Marxist and Lenin principles. The Naxalite movement tribe ମାନଙ୍କୁ ହିଁ start ହେଇଥିଲା, ନକ୍ସଲବାରୀ, ୱେଷ୍ଟ ବେଙ୍ଗଲର ନକ୍ସଲବାରୀରୁ start ହେଇଥିଲା. କାହିଁକି ନା when they feel deprived, এটা first ଗୋଟେ agricultural movement start ହେଇଥିଲା, not a violent form of movement. ଏବେ ସେଇଟା violent form ହେଇଗଲାଣି. So it start ହେଇଥିଲା when the agriculturalists or the farmers, when they deprived, when they exploited by the system, they started this movement. But later it take the form of a revolutionary or violent forms. Okay, so a movement start ହେଇଥିଲା. So these are some of the problems related to tribes. So still in present 2020, many tribes, okay, many tribes are not benefited by our schemes and still they are exploited. If geographically we distribute tribes, so different part of different tribes ଅଛନ୍ତି. Okay, so tribes also बहुत प्रकार, primitive tribes ଅଛନ୍ତି, tribes ଅଛନ୍ତି. Okay, so in Odisha also there are many primitive tribes. Okay, so primitive tribes means what? Now they are original inhabitants, so they are exploited. Okay, but there are some schemes are there, but because of lack of awareness, lack of education, they are not benefited. ତା ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ଯେ scheme ନାହିଁ, government ର many schemes are there, for the benefit of tribes. But major problems ଯେମିତି problems ଆମେ discussion କଲେ major problems ହଉଛି education or awareness. So they are not aware, they are not educated, and they are not fight for their rights because of their innocence. For that reason they are exploited. So these are the some problems of scheduled tribes. Okay. So now we'll discuss about what are the solutions. Problems हम तो discussion कर ले. What are the solutions? ଯେମିତି ଆମେ tribes ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ tribes ରେ scheduled caste ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଦलिତ ରେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ ଦଲିତ people are exploited, but still there are some provisions. So same thing among the tribes, same in tribes or scheduled tribes. So what are the solutions or remedial measures? So are there ଆମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗଲେ two types, from sociologically and from government side. ଦିଟା solution ଅଛି. So sociologically ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗଲେ କଣ ନା sociologically how will explain the solutions? Na Elvin, one sociologist anthropologist, he discussed that the solutions are three types. One is alienation, integration, and cooperation. Okay, so in this way the alienation माने कौन alienate माने मैं कहती जे दूरे रहबा दूरे जीवा सेमिति नो तांको sorry that is not alienation, that is isolation. Okay, so isolation means what na, if we want to develop the status or their status of tribes, then first आमे तांको isolate करी रखिया पड़ियो, isolating from the mainstream. For example आमे जे industrialization होउची बा development होउची, ए industrialization particularly कोउठी होउची जोडी mining area बा forest area सेठी होउची. So these are the tribal belts. So ସେଇଥि ପାଇଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ interference होउची ସେତେବେଳେ ହିଁ problem create होउची, they are displaced होउचंदी ये होउचंदी. Okay, so ସେଇଥि ପାଇଁ first we have to isolate them. So ସେଇଥि ପାଇଁ Alvin जो isolation रे कहितले ना tribal national park, आमे जेमिति कहउचे national parks अछि हमर सब, तो so tribal national park means कोन ना, they are isolated, no interference of other human beings, माने outsiders, particularly those who are mainstream or outsiders, they should not disturb or interfere in their matter. तो सेटा हला isolation. ता गुटे होची integration. Integration कोन ना, जदि आमे ताको mainstream रे मिसेबा ताले they will educated, they will aware, ताले सेठी ताको benefit हे करियो. Okay, so isolation, integration, out होची accommodation. So accommodation माने कोन ना, accommodation माने कोन होची ना ଦି जण को मिसेकी. ओके, accommodate माने तांको चांस दिया जाओ, तांको डेवलपमेंट तांको डिसीजन से माने नेबे. ओके, तो आ द्वारा दिस इज फ्रॉम सोशियोलॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन. सो आमे जो फर्स्ट डिस्कशन करथिले कास्ट रे जो सब सोशियोलॉजिस्ट रे जीएस घुरे, एमएन श्रीनिवास जेमिति he discussed about sanskritization. So MN Srinivas also study on caste. Okay, so he study on Kurg village. So similarly GS Ghure also study on tribes. Okay, so according to Ghure, tribes are backward Hindus. So what terms ଦେଇଥିଲେ जे tribes माने they are not outside from religion. Maybe they have their separate own religion, like जेमिति कहले totemism, they believe on nature. Okay, but according to Ghure, that tribes are backward Hindus. Okay, because they are Hindus, but they are not following the all the rigid rites and rituals of Hindu system. So it terms ta se dekhile. So this is the sociological explanation of solution of tribes. Jodi ame government दृष्टि देखिबा, from the point of view of government, तो ता दरे कोन ना first होउची कोन ना, first होउची ना awareness. काना जे कोनसी स्कीम हो, जे कोनसी डेवलपमेंट हो, first we have to aware. Take the example of now corona. Corona is a pandemic now. It's a major problem not only for India, for the whole world. So what is the solution? There is no proper solution, but what is, we aware, we know how to, what to do. Okay, we need some precautions. So it is called awareness. हमको एक्सप्लेनेशन कोरोना एक्सप्लेनेशन जाना नहीं बट आमे अवेयर जे हमको यह कले आमे आधुरु सुरक्षित रहबु विल सेव फ्रॉम दिस डिजीज so सेठी first required is awareness so for the development of weaker section for the development of scheduled tribes first we have to aware them awareness so awareness how it is possible only through development infrastructural development तो आमे गोटे जो मैंने अवेयर नाहांती तांको अवेयर केमिति करिवे जेतला इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर थिबो कम्युनिकेशन थिबो ओके ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम थिबो सेतले वी रीच टू द ट्राइब पीपल एंड देन वी विल अवेयर देम सो फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव होची अवेयरनेस सेकंड थिंग इज व्हाट ना schemes developmental schemes so there are many development schemes for the development and welfare of the tribal peoples tribal welfare development schemes are there next is what na employment economic opportunities mu jemiti कहली tribal मानकर majority problem होची they are poor they are poverty why na it is because of lack of livelihood तो सेहि पई the government should provide employment opportunity to the scheduled tribes or this weaker section so that they will be self sufficient and their status will increase the social stratification रे आमे सबले देखुवा status टा केमती increase करूछ so that is very important okay so देखिले गोटे गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटीज गोटे सोशियोलॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन गोटे होची गवर्नमेंट फैसिलिटीज गवर्नमेंट रा फैसिलिटीज जति इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट एंड नेक्स्ट इज हेल्थ तो जो हमरो माल न्यूट्रिशन होची बा चाइल्ड डेथ होची ओके इन्फेंट मोर्टालिटी होची तो ताकू भी देखिया पड़िबा हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज को भी स्ट्रांग करिवा को पड़ी so that is also a solution okay and last one is promotion of free education आमी जोटा कहूचे यूनिवर्सल एजुकेशन सेटा को आमी यूनिवर्सल एजुकेशन कहूचे यूनिवर्सल एजुकेशन सेतळे हबो जेतळे इट इज यूनिवर्सली रिच्ड समस्त बार जेतळे जाकी पहुंची पारुथबो बट मु जेहेतु कहली ट्राइबल्स आर डिटैच्ड और एलिएनेटेड फ्रॉम द मेन सोसाइटी तो तांका पाखरे एजुकेशन पहुंच पानी तो सेहिति पई कोन ना यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन दरकार काने एजुकेशन इज ए फंडामेंटल राइट्स समस्त अधिकार अछि सेति पई हमर आर्टिकल 21 ए रे मेंशन अछि द एजुकेशन इज ए फंडामेंटल राइट्स सो वीकर सेक्शंस आल्सो ए राइट्स ता तांकर भी अछि तो सेति पई यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन so health facilities education awareness and another thing is what na development and displacement ho but tankor भी development जमिति हो displacement हो किन तांकर भी development हो industrialization is must for the growth of a country we need industrialization without capitalism without industrialization it is not possible to develop but still we have to see about the interest of the tribes so tribal interest भी हमको सेति की importance देवा को पड़िबो so this is about the tribes so tribes their problems and solutions so another weaker section होचंदी women so women मानको काहे की marginalized group रे रखा होला so first thing yesterday class रे मैं कहथिली first because of demography because of population so the population rate is very low among women so for that reason they are come under the weaker sections secondly about our attitude hame jo kahuche am both physically mentally we think that women are weaker so for that reason they come under the weaker sections okay this is about our attitude they are not weak but about our attitude they come under this सेक्शन सेति में हमें कोची वुमेन को वीकर सेक्शंस तो हमें जो सब जो डिस्कशन करू जे जति समय हमें वीकर सेक्शन हो बा मार्जिनलाइज ग्रुप जो हमें कहिले आधे हमें एडा माने काहे के सेक्शन रे आसिले बिकॉज़ ऑफ दिस स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन सिस्टम स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन माने हम कहै छी हायरार्की सोसाइटी ऑलवेज डिवाइडेड इनटू ग्रुप्स इनटू स्ट्रैटा तो ए स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन सिस्टम रे वीकर सेक्शन ता काहे के आसिला ओके वीकर सेक्शन एथि पे आसिला ना मु जेहेतु कहली एटा होची लोअर सेक्शन जदी हम कहबा स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन तो सेथि पे हम देखो मार्जिनलाइज्ड ग्रुप ओके लोअर लेयर groups. So for that reason, why? Now it is because of the status. Okay, I mean the schedule caste कहवा. So in terms of caste systems, status is low. Okay, society रे आमे ताको कहि दउछु. यदि इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस अनुसार कहवा, ट्राइबल मानक स्टेटस लो. यदि आमे ସବୁ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ଦେଖିବା, ଯଦି ଆମେ କହିବା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କହିଦଉଛେ ଯେହେତୁ patriarchy जो स्ट्रेट आउट डिस्कशन କରିଥିଲେ, ସେଇ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିରୁ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଗଲେ because of dominance of women, women status is low. So ଯେତେବେଳେ low status ମିଳେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛୁ weaker, ଆଉ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡେ ସୋସାଇଟିରେ. ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଅଛି ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟିଭ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେସନ. ତ ଆମକୁ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିମିନେଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ. ଇନଇକ୍ୱାଲିଟି ସ୍ଟାଟସ ସ୍ଟ୍ରାଟିଫିକେସନରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିଥିଲେ ଇନଇକ୍ୱାଲିଟି. सो इनइक्वालिटी जोटी क्रिएट होउची सेठी स्ट्रगल होउची, क्लास स्ट्रगल होउची. बट एटा को हमें प्रोटेक्टिव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन काहे करछे? धर फॉर एग्जांपल हम इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन जो इंडस्ट्रियल सिस्टम रे बा कैपिटलिस्टिक सोसाइटी रे क्लास स्ट्रगल होउतला. सो क्लास स्ट्रगल कोन पे हैला ना इनइक्वालिटी पे. बट से इनइक्वालिटी आउ प्रोटेक्टिव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन डिफरेंस से इनइक्वालिटी हेतला कोन ना बिकॉज ऑफ एलिएनेशन पे. ओके, तो बट एठी हमु कोन ना प्रोटेक्ट करिया पड़ुची बिकॉज दे आर डिप्राइव्ड deprivation. Okay, so because of deprivation they are, because of deprivation, because of exploitation, so they come under to the low status. तो सेहिति पे हमें ताको कहूचे weaker section of the society. तो सेहिति वुमेन प्रॉब्लम्स हमें तो ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन करि देजे, जो वुमेन मूवमेंट काहे की स्टार्ट हेतला, जो जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन केमिति होचे फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फैमिली रु केमिति बोथ सोशल cultural factors are responsible for the low status of women in society. Okay, तो से जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो हमें डिस्कशन करथिले सेहिति पे. तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन काहे की होची ना, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होची ना बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टेटस. ओके, तो सेहिति पे वुमेन आल्सो ऑक्युपाई द कम अंडर द वीकर सेक्शंस. तो तांको हमें सोशली, पॉलिटिकली, इकोनॉमिकली वीक भाबुचे. बट वन सॉल्यूशन इज व्हाट, जोटी प्रॉब्लम्स अछि सेठी सॉल्यूशंस अछि. जेमिति हमें शेड्यूल कास्ट, शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स तांकर प्रॉब्लम्स भी अछि, हम सॉल्यूशंस भी डिस्कशन करले. सेमिति द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वुमेन रो भी सॉल्यूशंस अछि, सेम प्रोविजंस. फॉर एग्जांपल ट्राइब मानकर जेमिति हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजंस अछि, सेफगार्ड्स. Similarly, for the protection of rights of women, there are provisions in our constitutions. Okay, so they are also fighting. जेमिति movements रे सब they fight for their rights, social rights, economic rights, political rights में fight करछन्ती. तो से फाइट्स भी अच्छी. सिमिलरली हमें जदि जति कि हमें डिस्कशन कले जो मूवमेंट्स, सोशियो रिलीजियस मूवमेंट्स. सो राजा राममोहन आल्सो फाइट फॉर द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन. ओके, वुमेन एजुकेशन पाई. दयानंद सरस्वती आल्सो फाइट फॉर द वुमेन एजुकेशन. ज्योतिबा फुले. तो मेनी पीपल्स, मेनी पर्सनालिटीज, ओके, मेनी पर्सनालिटीज आर फाइट फॉर द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन. Okay, similarly, we discuss about that Chipko movement. This movement is started by women only, women movement. Okay, so ये weaker section रू तांको uplift करिया पई हमको ये सब methods बा provisions required. The last one is child. Child also come under the weaker sections. Okay, so both physically and mentally they are weak. जदि हम कहा फॉर एग्जांपल जो इनफेंट मोर्टालिटी रेट हाई हो, जेबे जदि हमें कोरोना कथा डिस्कशन करबा, हु आर वेरी अफेक्टेड, द ओल्ड पर्सन्स एंड द चाइल्ड्स, चिल्ड्रंस, एमाने बेसी अफेक्टेड होछन. तो हम कंट्री रो सबुठ बड़ प्रॉब्लम होची जदि देखिबा, इनफेंट मोर्टालिटी रेट इंक्रीज होची कोन पे ना, बिकॉज ऑफ माल न्यूट्रिशन. सो दे आर वेरी वल्नरेबल. तो सेति पे वी हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. So these are some of the weaker sections. Okay, scheduled tribes, scheduled caste, Dalits, women, children. So these are some of the weaker sections. So today, in this block, we discuss about caste. Then what are the features of caste system, function, dysfunction, I mean positive or negative side of the caste systems. Then what are the factors of change? Then we discuss about the approaches, Sanskritisms. Okay, what is Sanskritisms? How it is a factor of change. Sanskritism द्वारा केमिति change आसुची caste system रे. Okay, so how caste system is a playing important role in politics. So importance of caste systems. So present contemporary India रे caste system ର importance कौन सेटा भी हमें discussion कले. Then we discuss about the weaker sections or marginalized group. So marginalized group रे हमें discussion कले Dalits. So why they are exploited? What are the example socio-religious movements, self-respect movements, and then we'll discuss about the solutions of this scheduled caste. Then we discuss about the scheduled tribes, who are tribes, then what are the problems of tribes and what are the solutions of tribes, then women, then movement related to women, why women are exploited in society and what are the solutions, then about the child and the problem of children's. Okay. So with this, I conclude today's session. If you have any doubt, you ask. Dear learners, any doubt? କାହାର କିଛି doubt ଅଛି?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please ଟିକେ WhatsApp group ଟା ଟିକେ provide କରିଦେଲେ ଆମକୁ study material ମିଳିବାଟା easy ହୁଅନ୍ତା.
Okay, ମୁଁ add କରିଦେବି ତମକୁ ନହେଲେ ତମ ମୁଁ
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp group ରେ ଅଛ ତମେ?
ନାଇଁ sir.
Okay, ତ okay ତମ number ଟା ମତେ କହିବ ମୁଁ ସେଟାକୁ add କରିଦେବି ହେଲା କି?
Okay sir, ମୁଁ chat box ରେ ଲେଖିଦେବି ଏବେ.
ହଁ ହଁ chat box ରେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ମୁଁ number ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ add କରିଦେବି.
Okay sir, thank you.
ତ ଆଉ କାହାର କିଛି doubt ଅଛି? Okay, those who are new learners, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଦଉଛି. ତ till now ଆମେ ବହୁତ block cover କରିଦେଇଛେ. Total 5 blocks we have covered. So first ଆମେ discussion କରିଥିଲେ introduction to social stratification. So ତା ଦେହରେ ଆମେ discussion କଲେ social stratification, meaning approaches, then approaches to social stratification, caste class in India, stratification, implication of gender and ethnicity. तापर block 2 रे ଆମେ discussion करथिले explaining social stratification. तो ଆମେ in detail ରେ ଟିକେ explain କରିଥିଲେ जो ଆମେ सब theory discussion କରିଥିଲେ. Okay. तो सेଗୁଡା ଆମେ discussion କରିଥିଲେ ଯେମିତି କି functional theory, conflict theory discussion କରିଥିଲେ. तापर ଆମେ discussion କରିଥିଲେ ethnic stratification. Okay. And gender differences and ethnicity. तो ତା देहरे ଆମେ discussion what is ethnicity, what is gender differences. Okay. तो ସେଇଟା तापरे today we discuss about explaining caste in Indian society. Okay, जेहेतु ମୁଁ କହିଛି stratification ର ସବୁ ଯେତିକି ଅଛି caste system, class system, state. So caste stratification is universal in nature. ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ ପାଉଛୁ. But particularly in Indian context ରେ ଆମେ caste ପାଉଛୁ. Caste ଆମେ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖାଯାଏନି. Particularly in India. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ particular block ଆମର ହେଲା caste in India because caste play an important role in India. Okay. କାରଣ ଏଟା ଆମ social structure ରେ ଅଛି. ଆମେ ଯେହେତୁ କହୁଛେ Indian society ଯେ caste ridden society. ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ caste system को ଆମେ detail explain कले what is caste, caste ର features कौन, functions कौन, changes कौन, एरा सब discussion कले. तापर ଆମେ discussion कले जे marginalized class, marginalized communities. Okay. तो marginalized communities की ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ society terms ଅଛି. What is society ଆମେ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ society is a web of social relationship. ତ ସେମିତି sociology ର basic concept ରେ ବା fundamental sociology ରେ ତମାନେ ପଢିଥିବ community. ତ ଏଟାକୁ marginalized community କାହିଁ କୁହାଗଲା? So community means what? Like group of people, those who are similar in background. So आदर हम जितना group कहला हमें कौन कहते? Group कहला माने हमें कहते जे group who have similar background and they are interact with each other frequently. So ସେମିତି so it is a marginal community means same. So same marginalized community ଆମେ discussion କଲେ scheduled tribes, scheduled caste, gender and children. Then next tomorrow we'll discuss about class in Indian society. The class is universal. Jemiti caste is an important concept in sociology. Okay. So similarly, class also a very important concept in the social stratification. So ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ we will discuss about class system in India, particularly in Indian case. ମୁଁ starting ରୁ କହିଛି stratification ଦିଟା part. ଗୋଟେ ହଉଛି general ଆଉ specific. In general, we'll discuss about the all stratification concepts. But when we discuss about in general, then we will apply everything in India. So we'll discuss everything in the context of India. So caste in India and class in India. So we'll discuss about how class emerged in India. Okay. Generally, I'm just class coach, higher class, middle class, lower class. So we'll discuss about how classes emerged in India and what are the role of classes in context of India. So it I'm tomorrow discussion kariba class in India. Then we will discuss about social mobility. Our last block रे unit 8 block रे so our total 8 block ଆଉ 32 units ଅଛି. So last block रे we will discuss about social mobility. Okay. So types of social mobility. Okay. So functions of social mobility we will discuss. Okay. So learners, ଆଉ କିଛି doubt ଅଛି? Learners, you have any doubt?
Students कार कोन डाउट अछि कि you want any clarification? Chalo, anyway, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. I think our students have no doubts at all. So I conclude today's session. So tomorrow, same time, we'll join. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, learners.
Thanks.